In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your custom game on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com account, and after that hover your mouse somewhere right here where it says play, and then click at play at the very top. You will be taken to the page that looks like that. All we have to do now is just click at new game until it appears, and that's where we can easily find that custom feature. We can click on it to expand, and that's first of all we can click at standard, and from here we can select any of that options like that one. Also, if we would like to select some specific opponent, let's say you would like to play with your friends, you can click right here and then search for them by their username. However, you can keep it random. Also, we can set a rating range for your opponents. You can set it from and to. Minus 150 means that your opponent cannot be lower than your rating minus 150. The same about 2 rating. Also, we can turn on or off rated mode by toggling on or off that switcher, and also we are able to generate invitation link. So instead of searching for a user right from here, we can generate invitation link, and then we can send it to our friend via social media platform or any messenger. Once you are ready with that, click at play to start playing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.